The state is eliminating the color-coded restriction scale that we all got used to and replacing it by designating counties based upon a risk level, and that carries with it some new restrictions.
We're having one of the worst outbreaks in the country, and this is unacceptable.
Governor Gary Herbert announced a new system for managing restrictions during the coronavirus. Gone is the color-coded restrictions that he says became too political. Now Utah's counties are categorized based on a scale of case numbers, percent positivity, and ICU capacity. The health department will now determine who has tighter restrictions and who doesn't.
It's going to be updated every Thursday, and it's going to reflect which counties are at which level, along with the data to support why each decision was made.
The biggest restrictions limit the size of casual gatherings from 10 or less for high-risk areas to 25 or less in moderate areas and 50 or less in low-risk areas.
I would tell you that this is a very large problem in our state. And a casual social gathering refers to the wonderful and important gatherings of family and friends. This includes hanging out with groups of your high school or college friends. Basically, gatherings that don't have establishment or organizational oversight. These are different from public gatherings, which include venues such as movie theaters, performing venues, concerts, weddings, sporting events, and religious services.
Public events will include enforced physical distancing requirements based on the level a county is in. Schools are not impacted by the changes. Wearing face masks in public is required no matter what the level is. So is it a mandate without calling it a mandate?
You can describe it how you want. I think we have mask mandates, but we're also asking people to do the right thing for the right reasons. It's a combination, maybe.
Questions remain about how it's all enforced if there's any violations. These are public health orders, a different set of laws, which bypass the legislature and the governor's own directives.
I don't expect there's going to be a lot of police out looking for violators. It's a matter of it's an ordinance. It's an order from our Utah Health Department to help us all be safe and to keep our economy going. There's nothing bad about this. This is a good thing.
Now, a clarification to make on face masks. At the lowest risk level, or the lowest risk level that they've been assigned by the state, a county can leave it up to their discretion on whether or not to mandate face coverings in public. Meanwhile, the governor also announced today that he would end the state of emergency for COVID-19 in Utah. Instead, he pivoted to calling it a public health emergency that would be issued by the Department of Health. That is a legal maneuver that bypasses a brewing fight with the Utah State Legislature. Now, we know this is an awful lot to take in. This is a lot of big changes. We've got more information on our website for you to see, to answer a lot of questions, hopefully, at fox13now.com. Live on the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.